Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is going to green, so we enjoy some nice pump. Bitcoin and Ethereum getting closer to break some resistance line, but they haven't broken yet. So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated because cryptocurrencies are the most relevant industry after the internet and the much higher growing industry. So let's get into it. And guys, I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice. So everything just for education, entertainment purposes only. So don't believe me anything. Do your own research and buy and hold and trade coins and crypto accordingly based on your decision. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And I'm sharing my screen and let's dive into this. Let's do this, guys. Wow, what an amazing bubble chart. You see most of the altcoins are in green, especially Helium up 17%. And definitely check out our Helium video on our YouTube channel. Just come here and you will find all our past videos. So definitely check them out and also watch this video about metaverses, Bitcoin metaverse zone, and metaverses because these are really important. And in the search, just type Helium and you will find we have two Helium videos that how to get Helium miners for free and how you can earn on mining Helium. So definitely check them out. And let's go back to our favorite bubble chart. So really like the breakout what Helium did. Holochain also doing well. Cardano, Rune, Thorchain, Avalanche, Hex, Curve, Shiba, Atom, GRT, WAMX, LRC, XRD. So nice to see most of the coins. Just YFI, who pumped almost 100% in the past few days. YFI is consolidating. And let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is traded at 48,500 and up 5%. And also Ethereum is traded around 4,000 up 4%. So good to see them coming up a little bit. Matic is up also 9%. So let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And as you see, we are back in the fear zone from the extreme fear. So, but still we are in the fear zone. And as guys, you know, we did several times during the past few weeks, even down to 16. That was an extreme fear out there. And also remember that was during the summer and also in September. And when investors are so fearful that we find always a good buying opportunities, when investors are getting greedy, that's it's due for a correction. So guys, let's go to and check our first news that okay, this is not that, but this dormant Bitcoin wallet holding 321 BTC activated after 8 years. Oh guys, what a things going on. So that this wallet was dormant and this is holding at least oh, what's the month? So let's just make a calculation that what's the real value. So this is 15 million US dollar at the current price. It's not too much. If you are looking for a sign in 3 to 1, 3 to 1, 3 to 1, what a spiritual number holding 3 to 1, 321 BTC. So I wouldn't move anything, any piece of Bitcoin because these spiritual number, it's huge, guys. Okay, so no worry because this is just 50 million. So actually this is nothing, but good to see that after 8 years there is some movements in his wallet. Next piece of news is Bitcoin that cross that pushed BTC price to 28,800 US dollar reappears. Oh, guys, reappears. Bitcoin 20-day and 200-day exponential moving averages hints at a drop towards to 40 and 42,000. So moving averages not signaling always the right direction. So definitely take with consideration this. And that was a dance cross. Yes, that was a big tip after that, but it doesn't mean that the dance cross will happen and also that it will last for several weeks. So also it can happen that Bitcoin price will bounce here, breaking out from these bullish bull flag. Actually, bull flag is a trend reversal, and then this dance cross will just turn the direction. Also, that was a dead cross in last year March. Bitcoin risk correction to 40 and 42,000 US dollar range. So I think that would be the price target that lots of people would happy to buy some Bitcoins. It can happen if we are going lower in this bull flag. And also, yes, we can deep these 40,000, low 40,000 regions, and then to the upside first 50,000 and 53,000, the major resistance zones that the Bitcoin should break. But now we are still in the downtrend with a sign some breakdown movements, breakup movements. Okay, so this is another chart showing Bitcoin directions, Bitcoin movements, and also RSI. And we see that RSI is going down and Bitcoin price is going down. But guys, I see that I have another trend line. I will show you. So according to my trend line, the RSI broke out. So this is what I'm looking for. Yes, so that was a trend reversal, and also we are counting on trend reversal. So that is why we are watching those levels. That was a dip in the RSI. Also, here was a dip in the RSI, and now finding some support and trend reversal. So, guys, notice the RSI consolidation waiting on a clear break of the upper trend line as confirmation. Yeah, so definitely RSI wants to break out. We'll see it will happen. Let's go to our next news. So yesterday that was a bearish day. Stocks fall and oil sinks as storm clouds gather over global economy. So that was a little bit FUD and
my wellness.
the entire stock market, oil market dumped because Omicron and some lockdowns and so on and so on. So this caused investors to be became cautious, and also the Evergrande cascade in China, and also Davos delayed. So a lot of other things that caused the market panicking, but I don't see any real thing behind that. MicroStrategy plans to buy even more Bitcoin with no intention of hedging. Okay, so MicroStrategy had in 2021 Investor Day event last week to discuss its MicroStrategy and MacroStrategy agendas. And one thing stood out: Bitcoin remains a top priority for the business intelligence company. So they are holding almost 6 billion US dollar worth of Bitcoin. There are some people who run from volatility. We choose not to hedge the volatility. We could hedge it, but if we choose to do so, our view is that the cost of the hedge would be greater than the benefit of we would rather have all of the upside. So they are really sure. We believe it's still early. Bitcoin is still a very tiny fraction of the world's assets. And also that was a prediction from MicroStrategy. If the 5% of the total world's asset would go into Bitcoin, that would increase the Bitcoin price to 2 million US dollars. So that was in the yesterday news. So guys, let's go to our next news. Bitcoin prints bullish pattern, 50,000 is in the cards or not. We see Bitcoin is forming a double bottom pattern near to 45,500 zone against the US dollar. BTC is rising, and there could be an upside break above 47,200. So that's almost happened. So that was this trend line that these analysts used, and also he identified kind of double bottom formation. This is a 1 hourly chart, and yes, we broke out, and also now we are above 48,000. So that prediction came through, but that was just a small for the small time frame. So Bitcoin short squeeze is building up. BTC inches back above 48,500. Guys, what is the short squeeze? When lots of shorters taking short positions, let's say in these bonds, or even they opened short positions previously, or they are opened today in these bonds. And if the price will continue to the upside, then these shorts will be liquidated. The stop loss will be activated, and that is a short squeeze. Okay, so Will Clement is still waiting for the higher time frame trigger at 53,000 US dollar close, but feels like a short squeeze is building. Just give some more negative funding. So we traders and whales already liquidated most of the long traders, and now the short squeeze will come. That was a short squeeze that time. Aggregated open interest increased. This aggregated open interest was flat, and long shorts account ratio global went down, and aggregated funding rate was in negative. And that was a long squeeze in the past few weeks, and now waiting for the short squeeze, and the short squeeze coming with a huge bump. So guys, I really like this chart. Bitcoin price surges back above 48,500 levels. And we have, if you are looking on the charts, different time frames, you will find some trend lines. And I told you that trend lines are most important than moving averages. So definitely watch out for some trend lines. We will also look into and watch out for some trend lines. Next piece of news is Ethereum breaks key hurdle 4,000 US dollar. Yes, Ethereum broke 4,000 now, but now back a little bit. ETH price is showing positive signs as the bulls might aim a larger increase above 4,100. So 4,100. Let's see another. So also do have this trend line. Ethereum broke this trend line. This is bullish. This trend line is on the 1 hourly, and we see if Bitcoin can break the next major resistance at 4,100. It hasn't broken yet. Next piece of news is Ethereum price analyzes Ethereum could rally if it clears 4,000. Yeah, guys. So first we should stabilize above 4,000 US dollar and then break 4,100, and then Bitcoin can rallying up from here and even reach the 4,500, 4,600 levels and 4,700, the next major resistance zones that we have on this chart. So these are horizontal resistance that we should watch out for. So let's go back from here. Yes, MACD more is the bullish zone. RSI is about 50 level, so that's almost bullish. But this is just on a small time frame. Let's go and we have some fundamental news about Ethereum. Ethereum 2.0 testnet Kintsugi goes live in preparation for merge. Kintsugi is a public testnet for people to experiment with Ethereum 2.0 before the merge to proof of stake. So guys, this is happening. Ethereum, the old Ethereum blockchain and the new Ethereum 2.0 will merge somewhere next year, June, July. And now some testnet coming up, building up, and they are testing how Ethereum 2.0 can go live after the testnet. So the release of this longer-lived public testnet should be one of the last steps before Ethereum 2.0 is functional. And you know, we are going from proof of stake to proof of work. And also, you know that almost 34 billion US dollar worth of Ethereum is logged in the Ethereum 2.0 staking contract. So this is definitely huge, and this is just just taking out a huge amount of Ethereum from the circulating supply. So that is why we can expect Ethereum price to go up, but this is not financial advice. Next piece of news is XRP's market price gains on upcoming sologenic airdrop XRP will start moving millions. XRP gained more than 10% in value during the last 7 days, shrugging off the losses of majority of crypto coins experienced last week. According to data from Whale Alert, someone moved almost 450 million XRP on December 19. Moreover, XRP holders are expecting to receive an airdrop from a project called Sologenic. So guys, if you are holding XRP, congratulations. If you are not holding, I wouldn't recommend to go buy now. I don't know when will be the snapshot for this airdrop. Let's see if they are talking about this now. Okay, 500 million US dollar airdrop. So we don't know when will be the snapshot taken, but yeah, so if you're holding, then congratulations. So next piece of news is, what's this? Tron Foundation says goodbye to funder. But where is Justin Sun going? So guys, Justin Sun, he founded the Tron Foundation. I met him in Shanghai 4 years ago when they started Tron. We were together on a crypto conference, and also we hang out a small period of time. So he is on his appointment as ambassador, permanent representative of Canada to the World Trade Organization. So Justin Sun is representing Grenada to the World Trade Organization. So it's a huge U-turn. I don't understand why, but at least maybe Tron Foundation will starting to do some things. But actually, Tron is a good copycat, so they copied everything that Ethereum and Binance Matching is doing. I have accepted the invitation and appointment of the Canadian government to officially serve as the ambassador, permanent representative of Canada to the World Trade Organization in Geneva. I will be working in full capacity to represent Canada's national interest. So guys, congratulations. Sovereign states are the most fundamental building blocks of the world order. The due recognition of blockchain industry by sovereign states will be the final milestone towards achieving a truly decentralized financial infrastructure. Hope he will put Grenada to Tron network. Justin Sun, Tron, Bitron, and uTorrent have officially withdrawn from Tron representatives. Instead, the entire Tron network is now run by 27 SRIs hosted by the community. So maybe this is good for the decentralization. So, and guys, Justin Sun invited Warren Buffett for a dinner, and he he gave some Bitcoin and Ethereum and Tron to Warren Buffett. So congratulations, Justin. See you in Geneva. Let's go to our next news. This is from our friend George from Cryptosaurus. Instagram is actively exploring NFTs for its billions of monthly users. So, head of Instagram, we are actively exploring NFTs and how we can make them more accessible to a broader audience. I think when Instagram will enter the NFT space, that will definitely huge. And guys, don't forget that Facebook owns Instagram, and Facebook turned to metaverse, not just the name, but also they are building a metaverse. So I think we will see a tremendous amount of NFTs, metaverses, cryptos in the Facebook ecosystem, especially as they are owning WhatsApp, and WhatsApp starting to test crypto payments free and instant. So guys, this is almost for today. Let's go and join our Telegram group. You find the link in the description. So you see we have some news sharing here and also some updates, and also we are working some juicy NFT related stuff. And guys, let's take a look on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin still in the downtrend, and Bitcoin is side waving in this bull flag. It tried to break out, but for now it failed. So maybe we will see coming back in this range. But for now, it seems that broke out on the 4-hourly chart and doing a retest. So guys, this retest can be huge when we see further upside continuation here, and it also can be a kind of W pattern with this neckline, and we do have the price target, almost reached the price target. So that was a great W pattern trade. If you did that, I just missed this trade. But I'm also looking out that on the daily chart we have this nice RSI trend line that we have here, and it seems that this RSI trend line broke out. So if I'm zooming in, this RSI broke this trend line, and RSI started to make higher highs, higher lows, and the price still in this downward trending trend. So this is a kind of hidden bullish divergence that always push the price up. So I think Bitcoin can make some moves, but needs um, more follow through and volume. Also on the daily, the MACD turned to into bullish zone and also crossed here. So this is good to see that something happening. Avalanche is doing great, also broke out, so doing a nice movement, and Ethereum is doing something similar to Bitcoin, still in this bull flag, trying to break out, but haven't hasn't reached the upper trend line of this. The RSI is still in the downtrend, so RSI is still here. So RSI is still here. RSI hasn't broken yet out on Ethereum. So guys, what else do we have? Yeah, Phantom hopefully dipped out and will bounce from here. And what else? Matic is side waving as it used to, but getting closer to the upper resistance lines. I would be bullish on Matic if it will break out and break the 2.4 US dollar levels. So guys, what else do we have? Wi-Fi today is consolidating after this 100% pump, so it almost doubled within 4 days. Now doing some nice consolidation. Cardano, our left Cardano trying to break out, but it's a little bit weak. RSI maybe also breaking out. And let's check our metaverse coins. I think when we see Bitcoin bounces and breaking out, then I expect metaverse coins like Sandbox, uh, Mana, Gala, and gaming coins X Infinity just pumping. So Sand is consolidating, is doing side waves, getting boring, volume is getting lower, and also Gala is doing almost the same. So they need more follow through. But for now, Helium is looking really good, broke out as I already mentioned, and Loopring seems to be also breaking out. Guys, definitely come and push push the likes on this video. So visit our farms at app.corion.io. You will find the farms. We will adjust the APRs before Christmas, so we will have a nice Christmas present to you. So you will be able to earn up 200, even 300% APRs, providing liquidity in CorionX BNB and CorionX BUSD pairs, and looking up liquidity tokens here. If you are holding ARC20 version of CorionX, then you can provide liquidity on Uniswap, and then you can earn up 330% APRs. So definitely check out our farms. Guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Please smash those like, push the bell, notification all, write in the comment section what is your price prediction for Bitcoin at the end of the year, and are you bullish or bearish? Thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Take care, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.